Nana the Saucy Chef. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel.
Nana, you know the vibe, we see you looking. You should smell the aroma in the kitchen when she cooking. She the real deal when she make a home cooked meal. She's Nana the Saucy Chef, she got skills. Nana the Saucy Chef, she got skills.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Nana the Saucy Chef. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make Marry Me chicken. The ingredients that we're going to need today are 1 cup of chicken broth, 1/2 cup of all-purpose flour, 1 cup of heavy cream, 3 large garlic cloves minced, 3 tablespoons of butter, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 1 tablespoon of dry basil, 1/2 teaspoon of thyme, 1/2 teaspoon of paprika, 1/2 cup of parmesan cheese, 1 teaspoon of red pepper flakes, 1/2 teaspoon of Italian seasoning, 1/2 teaspoon of oregano, 1/2 teaspoon of sea salt, 1/2 teaspoon of ground black pepper, and 4 thinly sliced chicken breasts. In a small bowl, we're going to combine our Italian seasoning, our oregano, paprika, ground black pepper, and our sea salt. And we're going to mix until it's well combined. Now, using our seasoning mixture, we're going to season both sides of our chicken breast. Once your chicken is seasoned, we're going to put our flour into the bowl. And we're going to add our chicken breast in. And all you want to do is coat it. And we're going to sit it onto a wire rack. We're going to bring a pan to temperature. And we're going to add in our olive oil. And also our 3 tablespoons of butter. Once your butter has melted, we're going to add in our chicken breasts. And we're going to let them brown on each side for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, go ahead and turn them over. And let them brown on the side for an additional 5 minutes. Now you can remove your chicken breast from the pan. Next, you want to add in your minced garlic. And we're going to saute that for 1 minute. Now you want to add in your chicken broth. And we're going to bring that to a light simmer. Next, you want to add in your heavy cream. Now add in your Parmesan cheese, your basil leaves, your thyme, and your red pepper flakes. And you're going to mix until the cheese is all melted and the sauce has reduced some. Now we're going to let that cook a minute or so until the sauce reduces. Now you can add your chicken breast back to the pan. And spoon your sauce over top. We're going to cover it, and we're going to reduce the heat to low and let it simmer 5 minutes. Okay guys, so here we have it, our Marry Me chicken. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please come back, please like and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching. Feel free to leave a comment. And until next time, this is Nana, the Saucy Chef.